Hello, Stefan and Roman. Hello, all of FutureNet. We are very glad and happy to be with you here today, because today is a special day due to many things. And here we have prepared for you two things. The first one is our FutureNet social media. And the second one is a surprise, but all the details you will know very soon. When it comes to the release of the product, we all see, let's say, the cover of a book, and no one knows what is inside, on the backyard. I'm sure all of you would like to know at least smallest amount of secrets of what is there on the product development. And who may know the secrets better than the people who are making this product? So that is why I would like to introduce you the person who is creating the beauty of FutureNet social media. The person with the 10 years of experience in digital product design. The person who is team lead of FutureNet design team. Please welcome Andriy Larchenko.
Hello FutureNet! I'm glad to see you all here today. And as was announced by Nelia, I will tell you a few secrets about design of new FutureNet. But before start talking about the design itself, let's begin with three main questions came to us on the early beginning of this process. So, what is the main mission of FutureNet? What makes FutureNet social media so unique? And the most important, what community expect from it? To get the right answers for all these questions, we put all of you, our users, into our design process. Let's take a look how it was. Okay guys, so right now you have seen just a small piece of truly long process. We interviewed around 30 MLM people and spent around 100 hours to analyze these results. What did we get from it? The first thing come to us at once that new FutureNet social media should be a mobile-first product. It's not a secret that smartphone becomes the main device of our lives. 80 smartphones are sold and 200,000 text messages are sent every second. In the age of technology, when everything changes with crazy speed, we need to act immediately and in accordance to these changes. So the new FutureNet social media should be the bridge to the bright future. The second thing we learned from you is that multi-level marketing is all about motivation. You want to be closer to your people. You need to inspire them every second. And you want to be the example of success for them. It's why we put all your content much bolder than interface itself. To make everything, to put the accent on the photos, posts, video, and other medias from you. And finally, when it comes about design, we took into account the most recent experiences, interactions, and gestures to make the design of new FutureNet much more usable and intuitive for you all. The design is just a middle layer between you and technologies. And now, ladies and gentlemen, I would like to invite the man who represents our development team. The guys without whom it all shouldn't be possible. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome, Vyacheslav Dolhov.
Thanks, Andrei. As you saw, we can't live without technology. Technology is everywhere. Technology is future that's moving us forward, giving us possibility to stay online anytime and anywhere. Share your vision. Make our life more comfortable and more exciting. Just imagine, you will take a photo or video, push the button, and around 5 million people start liking it, sharing it, and inspire your life. To bring into the reality, we're using cutting-edge technology, the hundred of hours and a lot of human resources. Our team members hard working to bring your vision about the social network. You don't need to think about the digital quality of the content. Just take a photo, write your message, and our service will process it and put it into the timeline, so your friends will never miss your mind. Yes, what about the friends? We migrate all users from old social to the new, so you never miss your friend. Also, we provide the smart search. You need just typing the name and receive the response only for 1 second to increase your social network. You will ask, what about security? We protect all your data using the decentralized system. All data is saved on different servers in different time zones. You need to be just logging it, but behind the screen, we give you access token. This token gives you possibility to stay online and protect all your data. So no except of you will access to your private network and data. I need to make you sure that you can't live without technology, without the social. So just take a look at video.
This is FutureNet social network user in 2019, John. John likes to share photos with his friends, and right now he is posting a photo. This action takes a second, but behind the scenes, it is more complicated. At first sight, this is a simple action, but it requires a lot of technical steps. AWS servers accept the image downloaded by John. The image is spread to thousands of servers all over the world. Images are cloned several times for different extensions. All data are securely coded so that no one has access to your photo. Individual accesses are generated for each post, which appears in the newsfeed of over 5 million FutureNet users. Applied technologies, AWS infrastructure, DigitalOcean file storage, microservice architecture, SSL certificate to increase security, Java, TypeScript. Involved people, 0. Spent time, 0.01 seconds. How many people have seen the photo? 5.5 million. All right, let's go back in time. And what if John wanted to share his photo in 1960? John writes a signature on the photo and puts it in an envelope. He sends the letter through a post office. The letter is delivered to a sorting office. After 3 days, 4 postal operators will sort letters, which will be sent to the final destination. After 2 days, the postman will process letters and John's photo will be delivered to his friend on a slow car. It will take 4 days. The photo will be delivered to his friend's local post office. Letters will be sorted in a day. A postman will deliver the letter in 2 days. Applied technologies, 0. Involved people, 13. Spent time, 12 days. How many people have seen the photo? 1.
Now you know what happens inside of FutureNet social media product development. And I'm sure you're ready now to explore the FutureNet social media functional. So I am happily announcing that today at 2 p.m. UTC, you will be able to experience all the features of FutureNet social media. You can reach the social media by the QR code you see right now on the screen, and as well by the link futurenet.social. You will be able to experience the user-friendly design and new features very soon. But firstly, I would like to introduce this social media to you, and I would like to show all the possibilities of the FutureNet. Do you want to see how the FutureNet social media works in a real time? I will show you, and you promise to enjoy it. So let's start from the onboarding to the system. Here is the beginning of onboarding process. As the new user, you need to choose your gender, choose your country from the list, and choose your city by typing the first letters. My city is Lviv. On the next step, you may choose the interests. You need to choose at least 3 of them. After this, you may upload your profile picture, choosing it from the laptop. You may crop it as well and save. Now you are redirected to your profile and you have passed the onboarding process. But I would like to show the functional on my account, which was created before. I am on the timeline right now. Let's move back to my profile. Here we see my profile picture and main information about me. We can change the profile picture or delete it. We can also see the total claps I have received from my friends. In this section, I can create some content and share it with my friends. I can make the post. So I will upload the photo from my laptop and write a text. I can also choose the location for this post by searching it. And make the settings for who may see the post. I can also turn on or off the commenting of the post and publish it. Now it appears on my timeline. I can also clap for my post, copy link to its sharing, turn off or on the comments for my post. Here you can see my old post with the video. I can do the same actions with it. For example, delete the post or clap for it. Now I am deleting it. Now you can see how we switch between photos. To see more of them, we can also clap for this post. Let's move back to our tabs. Here is the tab Media. On this tab you will see all your media files. You can add new media as well by choosing them from the laptop. You can share this media as well on your timeline and choose privacy settings for this post on the timeline. Now you see that the media is saved. In the Friends tab, I will see my friends. Upper on the page, I see my active friends and I can go to their page. I can unfriend my friend or copy link to his profile and see the content which the person have already shared with me. Here is the mutual friends of me and my friend. Let's move back to the profile. This was the Friends tab. But now we are going to About tab. Here I can see and edit all my personal information. You can see we have here basic information, interests, workplace, education. You can edit the information, for example, edit the workplace, or discard the changes, or delete it at all. We can also edit the basic information. For example, choose another country from the list and city. Or add some other languages we learned. We can also update our interests, delete some of them or add new to the list, but don't forget to save the information. You can also add the education, so your colleagues from the university will easily find you in FutureNet. You may type the university name, the degree, the field of study, and the grade. Choose the start and end date from the calendar. And save this information. Now we have finished with the tab About, and let's move to our chat. Here you can turn off or on the notifications for the chat or hide the sidebar. You may start a new chat by choosing the people you want to talk with from your friends list. Here you see the settings for this chat. You may type the text or add emojis if you want. You may close the chat, but here you can find it again in the conversations. So this is the same chat with Yuri, and you may also delete it. You can create the conversation with several people as well in the chat by choosing them all from the list and pressing start the chat. If you want, you may rename this conversation or add new members. Let's rename it the developers chat. Now you see that we have the chat of developers. If you don't need the conversation anymore, you may delete it. Let's continue on with the sidebar hidden. Let's move on to the menu. In the menu tab Newsfeed, you will have two types of newsfeed. My Newsfeed, where posts of your friends appear, and Popular Newsfeed, where the mostly clapped and commented posts appear. In the menu tab Friends, you will see all the pending requests from your friends, and you may search for new friends in social media by typing their name. You can add friend or cancel the invitation on this page, or you can see the friends you already have, unfriend them or copy the link to their profile. Let's move back to the nice page with my profile and talk more about the menu. In the business section, you may see the FutureNet project, back office, webinars, download, FutureNet store, and copy your referral link. We can open these links and be navigated. For example, here is the FutureNet back office. Here we can see the page of all FutureNet webinars. Here we have the download section and the FutureNet store where we can buy the FutureNet products. Let's move back to the social media. When you press on your avatar in the right high corner, you'll find the settings here. You can change the privacy settings of who can see your profile or send the friends request or see your posts or post on your timeline. You can find here the help section where you can read all the frequently asked questions or contact the support if you didn't find the answer on this page. For contacting the support, you need to write the title of the request and explain the issue. You may also attach the files and submit or cancel the ticket. And now we are logging out from the account of FutureNet social media. I hope that all of you are very enthusiastic right now. I see many questions in the chat, but unfortunately I have limited time today for one more topic. So probably it is better option for you to observe the beauty of FutureNet social media by your own. And I repeat again, at 2 p.m. UTC, you will have this possibility. At the beginning of the webinar, I have told you that we have one surprise prepared. What is this surprise about? One of the products of FutureNet, which you may have already used, but actually were not satisfied. The new product is updated, rebranded, and rebuilt. This product is FutureNet Cloud, and it will be released together with FutureNet today. Do you want to store all your files, presentations, videos, photos in one place? FutureNet Cloud will keep all of them easily. We present you the very user-friendly product. We have worked with our users to know which functional you would like to see there more. I have already pointed out some of my favorite features in FutureNet Cloud. But I know that you prefer to see more than listen. So let me show you how FutureNet Cloud works. When you log into the system, you will see all your files on the first screen. You can sort them by date, by name, or by size. You can also create a new folder for easier sorting of your files in the system. You put the name and press the button Create. Now you see the folder is created. You can also upload the item to FutureNet Cloud. You press button Upload file, and then you may choose any file from your laptop to upload to the system. You can see the widget in the right down corner showing that the file is uploading. When the file is in the system, you may choose it and share, download, copy, remove, or rename. I choose to remove this file and it goes to trash. I would like to show you how to share the file. When you press share, you can share it by generating the link and changing the permissions for view or edit. Copy the link and send it to anyone. You can also share the file by email. For this, you need to type the email. If you have already shared the file, the email will appear and save. Any user from FutureNet or outside FutureNet can share files. In Shared with Me tab, you will see all files shared with you. In Shared by Me, you see all links that were generated and shared by you. In the Recent tab, you see all files with which you interact recently. In the Photo tab, you will see all synchronized photos from your phone. And in the Trash tab, you see all deleted items. You can restore them or delete forever. If you press Delete Forever, the item will no longer can be restored. Here in the settings section, you can see all your detailed information, change your avatar photo or change your password for the new one. In the account tab, you will see your tariff plan and you may change it. All users have the trial tariff and may buy more storage in FutureNet Cloud. You can pay by FuturePay. All users of FutureNet can pay 25% of storage price by media points. In the Partner Projects tab, you will see all the projects of FutureNet. You can be redirected there, for example, to the social media FutureNet. Hopefully, you enjoyed the demo of 2 products. But I'm sure you will like to use FutureNet Social Media and FutureNet Cloud even more. You can enter the products by the QR codes you see right now on the screen or by links at 2 p.m. UTC today. Thank you for staying with us. Thank you, FutureNet, and I hope to see you again in the nearest future.